In this video of today, I will walk you through on how to search for images on Safari web browser for iPhone. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to the Safari app. Here, mine is pinned at the whole screen, okay? So I will tap on it for it to open. As the browser opens, you will have an interface that looks like this. You will see the section with the text, search or enter website. Alright, so as I'm using an iPhone, that is the position of the search bar. Okay, so let's say I want to search for images of mangoes. Okay, mangoes. Then after that, tap on the go button. So you type the name of the item you want to search, and after that you tap on the go button. Now it says google.com would like to use your location. You can allow that, or you don't. If you don't want to, you will not allow it. You will tap on don't allow. So let's go with don't allow, please. Okay, now what you should know is that Google uses Safari uses Google search as the default search engine. All right, so that's why you have the Google icon there. So tap on images. So now you can see images of mangoes, and from here I can do what? Download any image I want to use in this case. Let's go with this one here. So let me tap on that. And it has opened and is showing in a bigger way. For me to download this into my iPhone right now, look at how you do it. Long press on that image or picture. Then you see the option to save to phone. Select save to. Sorry, you see the option to save to photos. Select that save to photos. Once it is saved and you get to the photos app of your iPhone, you will see that there. You can see that here. So I'll tap on it, it shows up fully. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have questions. Please drop that in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. This video here will walk you through on how to complete more tasks on iPhone. You can check it out. Thank you and see you some other time.